Hey guys, so if you want to see how I remove my glue from my lace, make sure you stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so to remove my glue from my lace wig, I am going to be using, of course, some apple cider vinegar, and I'm using the one with the mother because it's more pure. So yeah, and I'm going to be using a scrubber, and of course you need a spray bottle. So you guys, this is not going to be a quick video. I'm going to just show you how I quickly remove the glue from my lace. So you guys, I am going to pull some apple cider vinegar into this spray bottle. I'm not going to pull a lot in there. I'm just going to pull enough in there so that I could clean off my lace, my wig, you guys. Okay y'all, so y'all can see the glue on the lace. I didn't use so many different glues on this lace. I have used this silicone glue. I have used the got to be glue, um, the bold hole glue, and the super bond glue. So many glues. So you guys, to remove this, I am pretty much just spraying the apple cider vinegar on the lace. And what I did is I let that apple cider vinegar sit on the lace for about 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes. And once I did that, I just pretty much came back and started scrubbing the glue off the lace. Now you guys, you can keep spraying this apple cider vinegar on the lace as needed to get the glue off, but the apple cider vinegar works pretty good. Unfortunately, I took a little break here. I believe my phone was ringing, you guys, so I had to go answer it. But anyway, but yeah, this apple cider vinegar works pretty good. As you can see, it's definitely getting the glue off. Also, it would be better to, you can use like a toothbrush to help scrape it off also, because with the ghost bind glue or the bow hole glue, it gets it off really good. But if you're using like the silicone glue that now the bold hole has the silicone glue now, and the super bind glue has the silicone glue. Those glues are the ones that is the hardest to get out of your lace. So this is what I suggest. I suggest to use the apple cider vinegar, and also add the 90% alcohol with it. So mix those two together and it will help get that silicone glue out of your lace, because again, that silicone glue is the hardest to get out of your lace. But yes, so try that. Try using apple cider vinegar and 90% proof alcohol. Mix it together, and that should help get that silicone glue out. Okay, y'all, so I'm pretty much finishing up with, cleaning my lace off. And once I'm done, scraping and scrubbing it, I am pretty much going to go wash it out. And with using apple cider vinegar, you guys, you have to have some pretty good shampoo because the apple cider vinegar is pretty strong. So make sure you have some pretty good shampoo to wash the smell of it out. Okay guys, so here is the finished look of me removing the glue from my lace. Hopefully this method that I showed you helped you guys with removing your glue from your lace wig. This method took me maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and that was including washing my wig. I hope this helped you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.